Hi friends, welcome back. Today we're going on a super subtraction adventure. Are you ready? Raise your hand if you're excited. Do you know what subtraction means? Subtraction is when we take away something. Can you say take away? Take away. Great job. Let's try it with some yummy apples. After we take away 2, how many apples are left? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. That's right, 5 minus 2 equals 3. Woohoo! Let's go on a quick story adventure. 7 birds were playing on a tree. Tweet, tweet. Then 3 birds flew away. How many birds are left? Correct. 7 minus 3 equals 4. You're subtraction superstars. 6 balloons. Pop. 1 balloon popped. How many balloons left? Yes, 6 minus 1 equals 5. You did amazing today. Now you know how to subtract like a math hero. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun math adventures. See you next time. Bye!